Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Seasoned Beauties. Our video on today, we will be unboxing our ice cream beauty box, okay? For those of you who are not familiar with it, I will leave all the details down below so that you can check it out, okay? It is a wonderful box and can't even say for the amount that you pay, but it's actually very good, especially at the amount that we pay. Okay, now this one is for the month of May and our theme is Sunday mornings. Okay, so the first item that we have is by GERARD Cosmetics, and it's this one right here, and this is the Color Your Smile lip gloss. And it says, this is a revolutionary product designed to bring glamour and ease to your beauty routine. Available in a stunning array of shades, these lip glosses come in two irresistible textures, semi-sheer and sparkling for a luminous finish, or high pigmented opaque for color as rich as a liquid lipstick. Okay, now this one is a 0.23 ounce size. It is a cruelty-free product, and this is what the inside of this packaging looks like, and the shade that I have is called Salmon. How about that? I'm really interested to open this because this is quite, to me, it looks very orangey, and I just want to see what it's going to look like. Oh, this is cute. And on the side of it, it has a mirror. Okay, so it tells you to make sure you peel the paper off so that you can make sure your lipstick is applied to your satisfaction. Okay, now the manufacturer's suggested retail price for this item is $24. That one is item number one. Now, item number two is also by GERARD Cosmetics. How about that? All right, and it's this one right here, and this is the BB Plus Illumination Cream. It does have an important note right at the top from the manufacturer, and then it goes into the description. Now, this says, in order to get the air pump to work correctly, you will need to unscrew the cap and push the product up until it appears in the neck. Then screw the cap back on, shake the tube well. It may come out a little watery at first, but this is all normal. It may take a few pumps to get the vacuum working. Okay, so that's how to get the pump working, which lets you know this is what that's about. So we'll get back to that in just a minute. But the description for this particular product says, this innovative product can be used as an anti-aging primer to prepare and illuminate the skin, mixed in with your foundation or tinted moisturizer for a radiant, luminous glow, used as a liquid highlighter, or used to provide an all-over body glow. Okay. Mix it with your favorite lotion to give arms, legs, and collarbone a gorgeous glowing finish. Okay, this sounds pretty good right there. All right, so let's bring it back up. All right, so this is the actual product, and it says this one is a 1.69 ounce size. All right, and it has a shelf life of 12 months. And now, if I'm not mistaken, this one actually came in two shades. This one is Brigitte, is the one that I have. So, let me see. It said a 12-month shelf life. I'm trying to decide if we want to go in and, you know, swatch it, check it out, possibly. But it also says this is gluten-free and cruelty-free. Applied to clean skin, over or under foundation or moisturizer. Okay, it is safety it is safety sealed, okay, because you can't open it without breaking that seal. And as you heard previously, there is a pump, okay? So, and we will follow those steps so that we can get the air out of the pump as well. Okay, so the manufacturer suggested retail price for this item is $36. Okay. Now, I am very grateful that this is one of the remaining boxes that actually still offers a description card. All right, so let's keep going. The next item that we have is by Appeal Cosmetics, and it's this one right here. And it says this is the next level gel liner, and it says it's safe to be used as a lip liner or an eyeliner. That's good to know. Use it all over your lips to line them or for an added pop of color on your eyes. This matte smudge proof and long wearing, and the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $21. The shade that I have, this looks like it's going to go very well with the lippy that we have. Let's see. I don't actually see a name. All right. Okay, let me tell you something. These formulas that they are working with is getting better and better on these liners, because the shelf life for this one is 24 months. Very, very interesting. Okay, so we'll look forward to the end so that we can swatch it, but that's the actual shade right there. Okay, now hopefully it's not looking very red, but it is kind of a red-orange hybrid. Okay, so that one is item number 3. Then the next item that we have is this one right here. We've been getting quite a few of these. I may have all the colors if they keep going at this rate. This is a loose duochrome powder by Beauty Moon Cosmetics, and it says this is a loose duochrome pigment that shifts from light purple to very light blue. It is very sparkly. It is an absolutely stunning shade and goes on beautifully as an eyeshadow topper, or if you are feeling a little more adventurous, you can use it as a highlighter. Okay, now this really is a very beautiful shade. Okay, look at that shift. Okay, the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $10. Now, one of the things that I like about the pigment, a little bit really goes a long way, and you can use it for and put it in, you know, your lip gloss if you want it to have, you know, a little something added to it. That would be a nice shift, you know. I like it a lot. Now, the only problem that I have with these, they do not have a shelf life on it. So I would suggest that you put a date on it when you open it. All right. And then that way you can kind of play it by ear, you know, to ensure that you don't have very many issues later on down the line. Okay. So that one is item number 4. And we are down to the last item in the box. All right, and this one is an eyeshadow palette. All right. Oh, and this one is kind of look at that, iridescent. All right, on the packaging here. Well, this one is the palette called The Ultimate Cappuccino, and this is by DEDE Signature. Now, this is pretty sharp. I just want you to know that. And I haven't even gotten inside to the palette yet. But I do love this packaging. It's very pretty. It says this palette features the newly reformulated mattes by DEDE Signature. And she is a woman of color. Okay. Y'all know I have challenges with typos, but we just gonna keep going. All right. I'm going to say it the way it's supposed to. All right. It says she is a woman of color, and this is a woman of color owned and US-based beauty brand that features a wide variety of signature palettes. We are so happy to be able to feature this newly launched palette so that all of you can try their amazing formula. This palette features 8 mattes, 2 duochromes, and 2 metallics, okay? It's a cruelty-free product, and it has a 36-month shelf life. I'm telling you, they are really making a difference now with the, I was going to call it lastability. Not even a word. I'm just kind of like making it up on the spot. But with the longevity of these palettes, let me tell you, this is beautiful. It's actually beautiful. So it does have a full-size mirror inside, and these shades, okay? How about that? How about that? Just absolutely gorgeous. All right, so some of the names, remember this is the ultimate cappuccino: frappuccino, mocha, French vanilla, leafy tea, hot chocolate, hazelnut, sweet cream, and so on. Well, let me tell you something. I'm looking forward to swatching these, but I will tell you, you're going to need an eyeshadow glue, okay, for your products that have the that are the metals, okay. Oh, I just tapped it. Well, it's time to swatch anyway. So look at that. Look at that. Just one. All right, so since we have the palette, let's just go ahead and swatch that first. We'll do 1 matte, 1 metallic, and 1 duochrome. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. These are the 3 that we're going to swatch. Stop it. Okay, so we've swatched. Now, unfortunately, I'm just not ready yet to open this. I really want to see what it's like, but my only challenge is this one has the shortest shelf life of everything that we've opened, okay? We did not do our duochrome because we have been doing those for the last couple of months, okay? But let's just start off with the lip products first, okay? So the liner is swatched right here, okay? And yes, it is definitely gel. It went on very nicely, no tugging. It was very, very good. This lippy, let me tell you something. Gerard Cosmetics, I think y'all just became one of my favorite as far as this packaging goes, but this color is beautiful as well. All right, so this right here is the lippy, okay? This orange shade right here. But I want to show you the packaging first. All right, now, as you know, I did tell you, you peel this off, and this is your mirror, okay? Here's the other thing. They are so looking out for us. If it is dark when you happen to be putting your lippy on, how about there is a light inside? It's right here. Can you see that? There's one here and one here. Beautiful. Well appreciated. Okay, so now this amazing palette. Look at that. Look at, I think before this month is out, I'm going to be doing an eye look using this palette. This is just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. All right, let me tell you what I swatched. Starting from the top, it's hot chocolate. The middle one is caramel French toast. And the bottom is Americana. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. It's letting me know it's definitely worth the money. This was a fantastic box. Loved everything. I really want to open this. I really do. But I don't know. Let's just I don't know. We're just going to go ahead and do it. We're just going to go ahead and do it. All right, so we're going to open it up and do as the instructions told us with regards to the product. Okay, there's no turning back now. It's already open. But this is the shade Bridget. Okay, and so we have it right here at the top. I put this on, and we're going to squirt a little bit, and you'll know that it's on properly because you can actually feel, you know, the space that's there. So I do have a towel here. So I want to, all right, here we go. All right. They did let us know it would be a little liquidy, so I'm going to wipe that one off. I think this one, all right. I'm not about wasting product, y'all, but I think we're at that point now. Okay, so let's just go ahead and put a little dot. All right, that's what it looked like. Okay. Wow. That could definitely be a highlighter. All right, now let me just say, I can feel the tackiness, so I understand why they're, you know, saying it can be used as a primer. And the base color is very nice. If you don't have, you know, a lot of challenges, or you just use a BB cream or a moisturizer, you know, on your face, a tinted moisturizer, and go, this would be perfect because it's going to make you look very sun-kissed, or that glow from within look. Okay, so what do you think about this box? Me, I loved everything that was in here. I am so feeling this palette. So feeling it. I'm excited to use it and to create a look using it, which is going to come very, very soon. All right. We have so many palettes. We have so much new stuff, and we need to start experimenting with it, creating some looks, you know, doing our thing. All right. So let me know how you feel down below. If you received this box, if you didn't but you want to, trust me, I have a link down below. You can go ahead and use that link and get money off on your first box, okay? Now, I just want to tell you, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we did unbox our ice cream beauty box for the month of May. These are all of these beautiful items that were enclosed. Down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that came in this month's box. Okay, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. Make sure you share this video. Share it with someone else who you think could appreciate the palette, the lippy look, the packaging, okay? Or even this amazing product from Gerard Cosmetics, okay? Now, most importantly, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.